Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Subaru Impreza WRX and this is by Hotwheels from their premium series. More specifically, this is from their Thrill Climber series. So I bought this for I think 519, which is the revised MRP. So let me just unbox this. I don't want to waste any time. So last week went really well. I hope you guys saw those CCA videos. I mean, those are really absolutely amazing. They're really amazing castings. I mean, they are making really good castings, to be very honest. Specifically for that 400 rupees price point, I mean, you can't really complain. Okay, so here is the card art. So I'm happy that they're actually giving the full card on the card art. So usually premiums does that if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let me just put this away. So here's the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really good. I mean, does a little bit of okay, it went. So it has acrylic headlights here. That is something new for Hot Wheels. I mean, they don't do it very often. So maybe in very rare cases they normally does this acrylic headlights. So it has real detailing here. Those are properly embossed and painted on top of it. You can see the fog lamps here, and okay, you can see the tail light details here. I mean, I really hate the way Hot Wheels does the uh, paint job here. You can see this looks shit. I mean, after unboxing the CCL last week and going through all those castings, I mean, Hot Wheels are just cash grab at this point. I mean, you can literally see the none of the lettering or nothing is proper. My god. Okay, it has rear view mirrors here. It has interior detailing to it, and it looks really neat. So this is a full metal casting. It's a premium metal body, metal chassis. Chassis doesn't have any detailing to it except for this small axle detailing here. That's it. So even the spoiler is made of metal on this one. Neat. Okay. So the tires are rubber since it's a premium. Again, the wheels are not specific to this particular casting. This is something common they use in literally like most of the Hot Wheels premiums. Even I'm hoping I might be having something here. Yeah, let me show you this. Okay, so now you guys saw that Lamborghini. We did unbox that Lamborghini sometime back in our channel. I think around last year. So that has this exact rims here. So this is nothing special to this particular car like CC does. So if you really love Hot Wheels, I mean, if you're really like very narrow minded that I only collect Hot Wheels, I only want Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels are great. If you are that kind of person, then go ahead and get this one, or else I won't even suggest these things. See, when I was a kid, Hot Wheels are like a big thing to me because it was not first of all available in my locality at that point. I need to travel like more than 45 kilometers to reach the main city, and I need to buy from there. And my parents never bought those for me at all. This is weighing 50 grams. So I started buying Hot Wheels after I started earning. Not exactly Hot Wheels. I started buying Maisto first. The one is 24 scales, and then I started buying all the brands like Hot Wheels, Majorettes, Maisto Muscle Machine series, all these things. So I personally love Muscle Machine series. They are unique in their own way, because I have that here also. Those three here. So those were the first set I actually bought. So I think during 2015 or 2016, around that time. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, at least it rolls really well. Okay, so these tires are not having any threading, so it rolls really well. So let's rate this casting now. So it actually has all the detailing to it. My only nitpick here is, and you can see this looks like a 2-year old kid actually sketched it, and it is not even really good. So anyway, it actually has all three detailing, so I'm giving 10 out of 10 for that reason. If I actually want to give rating based on the quality of it, I would seriously give a 9 out of 10 because this looks shit. Okay. So with that said, let's end this today's video. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.